Hello everyone, so this is Rakshita. So today we are going to start from exercise 4.2 from the question number second. So here it is said, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Now we have to take out the 4 solution and the first part, that is 2x plus y is equal to 7. So first it is in multiplication x. So if we take value of x any number, so then we will get the value of y. For that we are going to write, just make a table x and y. And actually for this we need to find any 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for that let's take x is equal to 1. So first x is equal to 1. So here 2, instead of x we just need to put 1 plus y is equal to 7. 2 ones are 2 plus y is equal to 7 and y will be 5. Then y is 5. If we take 1, so y will be 5, and if we take x, 0. So let's see what it will come. X, if it would be 0, then 2 into 0, same as it is, only instead of x, 0 will come, is equal to 7. 2 zeros are 0 plus y is equal to 7 and y will come 7. If we take 0, so our value of y will be 7. Let's take a value of x 2. So if x is equal to 2, then 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. Same as it is, only instead of x, 2. 2 2s are 4 plus y is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7 minus 4, that will be 3. If x value is 2, so it will 3. And let's take x is equal to 3 now. X is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. So 2 3s are 6 plus y is equal to 7. And now y is equal to 1. So if we take x is equal to 3, so y will be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got all the 4 solutions. So we have done the first part. Let's come to the second one. So this is the second one. Second is pi x plus y is equal to 9. So see here pi is there, so no need to confuse. Same you have to do. You have to take out the value of x. So first let's make the table. One, 2, 3 and 4. So now first if we take x is equal to 1. Sorry, first let's take x is equal to 0 because it will be easy for you to do. X is equal to 0. So pi will be as it is. Instead of x it will be 0. Then plus y is equal to 9. Then pi zeros are anything multiplied by zeros, 0 plus y is equal to 9. Y will be 9 only. If x is 0, so y will be 9. And if x is 1, x is equal to 1, then pi into minus 1 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into minus 1, that will be minus, pi 1s are pi only, plus y is equal to 9. Now y, 9 will be as it is, minus pi is there, it will come plus pi. So y will be 9 plus pi. So same as it is, we can take here, see it's not compulsory that we need to take only positive integers here. We can take minus also, like plus is there, we can take minus and all also. Let's take x is equal to minus 1. So pi into minus 1 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into minus 1, that will be minus pi plus y is equal to 9. Y as it is 9, minus pi is there, so it will become plus pi. Okay, same as it is, minus pi will be plus pi. And we have taken it minus 1. Here I have just taken minus, so plus, plus, and here it will be minus. Then after that, if we take the fourth one, we can take any number. So let's take it 2 here. So x will be 2. Now pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9. So pi 2s are 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. Now we need to find the value of y. So pi will be as it is, plus y is equals to 9. We can take this is in plus, we can take in minus. Minus 2 pi means 2 pi. Plus is there, so minus 2 pi. We can just take or else you can do this easiest method, that is y 9 into, that is into, so you can take in multiplication, minus 2 pi. So y will be 9 minus 2 pi. So we have done the second part. So let's come to the third part. So this is the third part. Third part is x is equal to 4 pi. So now again we are going to first make the table. Four parts because 4 solutions are needed. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So see, if you take the value here x, okay, if you take first x, so actually it will be difficult to find the y because it is in multiplication. So this value is in multiplication, so you need to find the y because it will be easier for you then. So first if we take y0, okay, now here we are going to take y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4y, means 4 into 0. 4 into 0, that is 0. Now here if y is 0, x will also be 0, and if y we take 1, y if we take 1, so same as it is x is equal to 4 into y, means 4 into 1. So x will be 4 ones are 4. If y is 1, then x will be 4. If y is 2, then x is equal to 2 into 4 into y, means 4 into 2. So x will be 8. If y is 2, so it will be 8. And if y is 3, let's check out. If y is 3, then x is equals to 4 into y, means 4 into 3. So x will be 4 3s are 12. If y is 3, so it will become 12. So we have done first, second, third part. We have completed this question. So thank you so much for watching this video.